Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very quick one, like fast quick, on how to tint your eyebrows without using a brow tint. You know, like there is a product called brow tints that is used to tint the brows, right? So if you don't have it, you can still tint your brows. Now you're going to use products that you already have. Okay, you already have these products, so yeah, without wasting much of your time, let's just get into today's video, shall we? Okay, so first of all, right, before we start, I just want to say that I have a very detailed, super detailed eyebrow tutorial for it's beginner friendly. So if you don't even know how to do your eyebrows, by the time you finish watching the video, you should be able to do it. If you can't do it, then I don't know. So I'm just going to rush through this process, and then we get into the tinting. So just going to be like 5 seconds. Okay guys, so now that we have a decent looking brows, we can go ahead and tint the brows. Now what I usually do is I usually use my foundation or my concealer. So I have some residue of my concealer. I'm going to use that, the one I use to shape my brows. I'm going to use that to tint it. So I'm just going to use my spoolie here. This is my spoolie, right? I'm going to use my spoolie to just take the product and then just sweep it, you know, like this. So you can already see the effect. Wow, this is a bit too much, but I'll definitely go back and then apply more. I think I took a lot of product, but you guys can see the difference between this one and this one. I took a lot of products, so I'm just going to go back and fill that in. So if you take a lot of products like I did, this is what you're going to do. Okay, so I take a lot of products, but you can learn from my mistake and then take less product. You get it? So, and also this also shows that if you take, you know, too much products, you can always go back and go and correct it, so it's not even a problem. So yeah, so you guys can see the difference now between this one and this one. This one looks, you know, tinted, as in a bit lighter than this one. Do you get it? So don't take a lot of products like I did. Learn from my mistake. And then if you also take a lot of products, you can always go back and go and correct it, just like I did. Okay, so yeah, you don't want your brows to be too prominent, then this is what you can do. So we have this one. Let's go and do let's go and do this one too. So for this one, you can see that the product is not too much on the spoolie, so you can see the effect that we are getting. So if you want to, you know, get a very faint looking brow, then you use a lot of products. But if you don't want it, then yeah, so just start from the front part and then work your way to the tail of your brow using your concealer or your foundation. So this is the best way to do it. Start small and then move your way, you know, up. So if you make a mistake, you can always go back to draw, like apply the brow product, and yeah, that is basically that. So we have our brows, you know, almost tinted to, like, this is how I like it. So you can learn from my mistakes and take some of my tips and then do yours as how you would want to. So yeah, so this is it, guys. This is it, and I'm just going to go ahead and do a little bit of highlights at this part. We have our tinted brows ready. Yeah, you can always go back to tweak it to your liking, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What are some of the products you put on your brows, you know, as brow tints? Yes, I'd love to know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you're gonna try this, and let me know what you guys want me to film next. And yeah, that's all. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and then like this video, and I'll see you very what's happening? I'll see you very soon in my next video.